right, so I'm going to show you a quick way to make some videos that are pretty easy. I think YouTube probably is the easiest way to do that. So here's here's the way that you would go about doing it. First, you're going to download the YouTube app on your phone. It looks like that. I think it'll work the same on iPad. I'm not 100% sure. I've not done this on iPad yet. You're going to log into your school account. So that little icon up there is what you'll click, and then right there, sign in. Once you are logged into your account and you would like to record a video, you're going to click on the record button right there. That'll bring you to where you can either record, you can go live, or if you've already recorded it on your phone. So if you do this, if you don't want to record it in the YouTube app, you can record it in your regular camera, and then you can just click on the video down there below. But I do it this way. I go right into the app. I click record. I click record. Once you're ready, then you have to click that red button, and then it'll start recording. So there's three buttons. 3 times you have to click record. That one right there, and then that's the final one. It'll give you the picture of what it sees, and that's the final one right there. After you are done with your recording, you can click on that button right there. Will stop the recording. Obviously, if you like what you did, then you can go in here and you can trim it. So if you have some edges of it that are a little bit like you didn't say anything for a while, or you're getting your phone set up or something like that, this isn't interactive, but if you drag this little blue thing over, that'll trim either side of the recording. I don't usually do that. So if you're happy with the video, you just click next right there. If you're not, if you screwed up or if something happened and you need to redo it, if you click that little arrow right there, that'll take you back to this screen right here. Okay. And then you can try again. So it'll only save on YouTube if you tell it to. So you go to next to start saving. So we're happy with our video. We go to next. Then I'm going to need to give it a title. I usually just title mine the date, and then you can click upload right there, and that will give you, that'll start uploading it to YouTube. Okay. So the next things that you're going to do, I'll do a screen share of the other stuff, and I'll show you how to do that exactly. So let's say that we are in YouTube here, and you need to sign in to YouTube on your computer. It probably already is if you're using your school computer. Once you're signed in, you're going to click right there, and you are going to go to your channel. When you go to your channel, what you'll see is you will see the different videos that you have uploaded. All right, so let's say that I want to upload one. Let's say I want to upload this one right here. Okay, so I'm going to click on that, and that's going to take me into the video itself. We can pause it. We don't need to hear what it says. But what you're going to do is you're going to go down here to share. And then what you need to do is you need to get the embed code out of it. And so when you click on share, you're going to click on embed. And then I am going to copy that embed code. So make sure you get the whole embed code, because that's what's going to go into Canvas. All right, so then up here, we're going to go into Canvas. And then let's say that we want to, I'll send it to my IPT class. And I usually do them in announcements, but I've put some of them in the announcement and in the day and in the e-module unit as well. But let's say we wanted to do an announcement. And then let's do a new announcement. Let's say this is our announcement for Friday. So I always start off by telling them what today is, because sometimes we don't know. So we'll do it, today is Friday. And then to put the video in, you have to decide, do you want it before your text or after your text, or do you just want the video? So let's say I want some text, and then after that is where I want to put the video. So I'll go down one, and then I'm going to click on Insert Media, which is this little video button right here. And then I'm going to go embed, and then I'm going to copy that embed code right there. I'll paste it in there, and now I've got that video that I had. It's in there. That's if you wanted the text first. If you want the text after, and if you want the text after, what you'll do is you will do embed the video first, then just hit enter, and that'll take you down one more. That's kind of how I do it, and then you can send that out to your students. And again, you can put it anywhere in Canvas where there's one of those pages. You do it that exact same way. So if you want to put it in an assignment, if you want to put it in an announcement, if you want to put it in a quiz, if you want to put it in anything like that, you do that exact same way. You just go right there to insert media, and then it'll go into Canvas, and then you can put it out. It's really pretty simple. If you have any questions, just email me, or those that have my phone number, just give me a text.